Oh boy. So anybody who watches our walkthrough videos, somehow I hit slow-mo and it sounds really weird. maybe a lot slower than that. So I'm gonna do this. You can always still use that video, just maybe hit the mute button so it isn't so spooky. Look at this beautiful table, beautiful cabinets. Look at this mirror, huge, gorgeous. Got a couple of beauties over here too. South Jersey Auction, www.southjerseyauction.com this Sunday, fun day.